Hey guys, my name is India and welcome to MYM Beauty. Today I'm going to show you guys how to create this complexion with the INIKA Face in a case. So basically it's just like a really nice dewy kind of finish, really sheer coverage, really light on the face. I'm going to show you guys how to quickly do that. I'm just going to tie my hair back. Also, just make sure that your face is all moisturized before starting. I'm going to start with the INIKA Organic Pure Primer, and I'm just going to apply it liberally to my face, starting from the middle and working it out. It's really important to get a good primer base just to make sure that your foundation lasts all day. Now that I've got that one on, I'm going to jump in with the INIKA Organic BB Cream. And the shade that I'm using is called Nude. I'm just going to use the brush that comes with it, and this is a limited edition brush. So I'm just going to pop a couple of pumps of the BB cream in the middle of the brush, dab that around my face, and then I'm going to buff it in with this brush. Bristles are nice and soft, they're not rough at all, so don't worry if you've got sensitive skin, this will be fine for you. Now that that's all buffed in, I'm going to take the INIKA Organic Complexion Concealer. So this is another brush that comes with the Face in a Case kit. And I'm just going to pop a little bit on my brush. I'm just going to work that into the areas that need a bit of extra coverage. Under my eyes get quite dark and dull, so I'm going to pop a bit under there for a bit of brightness. Also get a bit of redness around by my nose as well, so I'm just going to pop some concealer around my nose. And everything here is cruelty free and completely vegan. That is also the concealer shade in Light, which comes with the Nude base in a case. That's all you have to do. So basically just make sure you moisturize beforehand, use the INIKA Face Primer. Then I go in with the BB cream with the full-size makeup brush, which just really buffs it into the skin. And it's just really nice to not have like a full foundation on, but something kind of light to it. Honestly feels like you're not wearing anything. Really good for like uni or rushing in the morning and you just want something to sort of cover up the darkness or the redness. It's perfect for that. Then I just use the concealer to cover up any dark spots. You get this full-size product, the concealer in the tube, and then you get two amazing brushes with it as well. Not only that, but it is a face in a case, so of course you get a case that comes with it as well. So that's awesome. It's got a mirror, you can pop foundations and stuff or lipsticks in here, and then literally there's so much space at the bottom of that to put all the rest of your stuff in as well. So if you're going to someone's house or you just need somewhere to store all of your makeup, that's awesome. So this is valued at $248. If you buy from MYM Beauty, you can save $89 on that, which is awesome for all the products that you get. And basically you end up with a really nice dewy, glowy finish. If you don't want to put too much on or you find foundation quite heavy or cakey, this is just a perfect in between. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video and you learned something. Do feel free to give me a message if you have any questions about it. Otherwise you can find all those products and heaps more at mym.co.nz. See you guys next time. Bye!